Hey guys and girls, hope you all are doing good. This is Suja Joshi here, your soft skill trainer. So friends, in our last lecture, we have discussed in details about the simple present tense and what are the verbs that follows the general rule of simple present tense and what are the verbs that doesn't follow the rules of simple present tense. What are the letters that either gets added into or gets removed from the simple present tense verbs. Now we will be discussing about the forms of simple present tense, and they are present perfect tense, present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Let us discuss about the meaning of present perfect tense now. How do we use it and when do we use it? Present perfect tense is a verb that is used to describe an action that happened at a non-specific time or an indefinite time. For example, she has visited Delhi. And second example, we have built a house. Over here, the time is not definite. The time is not specific. When did she exactly visit Delhi and when was our house built? We just know that she has visited Delhi, but when did she visit Delhi? We don't know. The time is not mentioned. The time is not specified. We just know that we have built a house, but we are completely unaware with the time, which is not mentioned and which is not said. When was it built? So over here the time is not specific. Another example, they have been to France. We only know that they have been to France, but we just don't know when did they go to France, when did they visit France, because the time is not mentioned over here. So from our example we understand that the things happened in the past, but the time is not specific. It is also used to describe an action that started in the past but continues to the present. For example, I have spent 26 years studying English. It means the action that is study. So the action is being continued from the past to the present. I started studying from my childhood and I am still studying. So it is being continued in the present. Another example, we have owned this home since 1991. It indicates the action began at a time before now. We are the owner of house since 20 years. Means we were the owner of the house yesterday also and we are the owner of the house today also, from 1991 till date. Present perfect tense is also used to describe an action that had started in the past and has recently stopped. For example, he has arrived, I have spoken, we have forgotten, she has called, we have reached. So the example shows the action that happened but completed now. Like he has arrived means at a point of time he arrived, so the action is completed now. She has called, so she called, so the action is completed now. We have forgotten means we have forgotten, now the action of forgetting is completed. And we have reached, the action of reaching is completed now. So it shows that something that had happened in the past but is completed now. There are some rules which has to be followed when we speak in present perfect tense or when we make sentences. For example, we have to use subject first, subject plus has or have plus third form of verb. For example, I have studied to state book. It means I is subject, have or has we have to use while we frame sentences in present perfect tense, and third form of verb, that is study. Studies third form is study, studied, studied. So I have studied to state book. I have eaten Spanish food. I have walked on this path earlier. We have eaten seafood. I have completed my graduation. So these are the examples of present perfect tense. Now we'll move towards present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe an ongoing action which is happening right now in the present, and the actions are occurring exactly at the time of speaking. It refers to an action which are currently in progress at the time of speaking. For example, I am taking online classes, I am teaching to my students, I am drinking water, I am washing my clothes, I am washing dishes, I am singing a song, I am writing a letter. All the examples shows an action that is continuing in the present or which is happening right now. For example, I am speaking in front of you all, so this is present continuous. All the examples shows a continuous action in the present, and the rules which are to be used while we make sentences in present continuous tense or while we speak. So the rules are subject plus is or am or are plus main verb plus ing. For example, I am teaching, subject plus am plus verb plus ing. Teach plus ing, teaching. So subject plus verb plus ing. It means I am teaching right now. So over here, teaching is an ongoing action. I am drinking. Drinking is an ongoing action. I am watching a movie. Watching is an ongoing action. And I am completing my projects. It means completing. Completing is an ongoing action. So present continuous tense refers to an ongoing action that is happening right now, or that is being continued in the present. Now we'll move towards present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous shows the actions which started in the past and which is being continued in the present time. Means it started in the past and it is being continued till today or till present. For example, I have been reading 2 states for a month now. It means I have started reading 2 state book a month ago. The action of reading 2 state book started some time ago in the past and it is not yet completed. Means it is yet to be completed in the present. Another example, Meeta has been participating in Kho competition recently. She started participating in the competition sometime ago in the past and yet it has not completed, so she will continue to do so. Another example, I haven't been feeling well. It means the action of not feeling well started sometime ago in the past and it is continuing in the present as well. So I am still not feeling well and I am yet to recover now. And the rules are subject plus has or have, been plus verb plus ing. For example, I have been singing this song since morning. So I is a subject, have been, and singing is an action which is being continued from the past to the present. Action of singing is being continued since morning and it is not yet completed. So I have been singing this song since morning is a present perfect continuous tense. Another example, Ram has been participating in cricket competition recently. Rita has been cooking since morning. They have been constructing this home since long time. Another example, they have been building the bridge since several months. So all the examples shows something that started in the past and continued in the present and that is still continuing in the present. So friends, that's all for today and our next session will cover the simple past tense and the simple future tense. Hope to see you all in my next session and hope my lecture was useful and helpful for you all. Friends, please be little serious when you study tenses because tenses are very important. It is very important to know about tenses. See you all in my next session. Till then, take care, bye bye and keep smiling.
In case you like my channel, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.